In this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. To get started, go ahead and open Facebook on your device. So make sure that your account is signed in into that app. Now on your account, go ahead and head over into the menu section by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. In here, go ahead and hit on that settings and privacy tab. And under that, click on settings to be able to get redirected to the settings page. On here, go ahead and hit on the account center tab. Click on that personal details tab from this list, and that will take you into this section. Click on that account ownership and control button under the personal details section and click on that deactivation or deletion tab. That will redirect you into a new page where you'll be able to select the account that you can deactivate or delete. So in here, you can select from the two. Since you want to delete your account permanently, you can simply select delete account from here. Now after you have entered your password into this section, you'll be able to confirm the deletion of your account, and that is how you can simply delete your Facebook account permanently. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.